Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our exercise 10.5. In this exercise, we have some word problems also, and here also we have to find the duration. That duration we have to find in days also, and in hours also, in minutes also. So according to question, we have to solve. So let me start our exercise. Question 1 is there. Exercise 10.5. Question 1 is there. Solve the following. A part is Rahil's favorite television show starts at 4:30 p.m. राहिल है उसका favorite television show start at 4:30 p.m. If he gets home from school at 3 p.m. अगर वो स्कूल से जो घर पे जाता है that's at 3 p.m. So how long does he have until the show start? शो स्टार्ट होने में अभी उसके पास कितना टाइम है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड कि अभी उसके पास कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द शो स्टार्ट्स एट 4:30 p.m. शो स्टार्ट होता है 4:30 p.m. पे. देन सेकंड, राहिल गेट्स होम फ्रॉम स्कूल एट 3 p.m. राहिल जो है वो स्कूल से जाता है 3 p.m. पे. So now we find time he have until the show start. Show start होने में अभी उसके पास कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है. So for that we will do subtraction. Okay? From where we subtract? We subtract from 4:30. We will subtract 3 p.m. because the show will start at 4:30 and he reach at home 3 p.m. So we'll subtract 3 p.m. from 4:30. So we'll do subtraction. 4:30 p.m. minus 3 p.m. Okay, both are in PM. So we can subtract directly. No need to change into 24 hours clock because both are in PM and this is 4:30 and that is 3. So we can subtract. This is big and this is small. Okay, now 0 minus 0, 0 and there is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. That means he have 1 hour and 30 minutes until the show start. Show start होने में अभी 1 hour और 30 minutes left है. Okay, so we write here 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so that's the answer. 1 hour 30 minutes. That's your answer. So like this we have to solve A part. Now after that we will do B part. Now B part. Neha applied for admission on Tuesday, July 4. नेहा जो है एडमिशन के लिए अप्लाई करती है on Tuesday, July 4. She got admission a fortnight later. उसको एडमिशन मिल गया a fortnight later. a fortnight के बाद उसको एडमिशन मिल गया. So on which date did she get the admission? तो अब उसको एडमिशन कौन सी डेट को मिला? That we have to find the date. Okay? So let me start solution. Firstly, Neha applied for admission on July 4. Admission के लिए कब अप्लाई किया? On July 4. There is no requirement of date because in answer there is asking date only. There is asking date. So we no requirement of date. If there is asking day also, then we write here day also, but there is asking only on which date, so we have to find only date, no requirement of date. So Neha applied for admission on July 4. Then a fortnight, here is saying that a fortnight later she get the admission. So a fortnight means we have 14 days. A fortnight have 14 days. So a fortnight, that means 14 days. So she got the admission on. So on which date she will get the admission? On July 4 she applied and a fortnight later, मतलब 14 days के बाद उसको admission मिल गया. So for that we will do 4 plus 14. Okay? What will we do? 4 plus 14. 4 plus 14, that's 18. So on which date she will get the admission? On July 18. So write it on July 18. That's our answer. Okay, so like this we have to find. Now after that, see. C part. Rasi exercises for 1.5 hours every day. Every day she exercises for 1.5 hours. Okay. How many minutes? Now you should tell the minutes of in total does she exercise in 7 days. कि उसने how many minutes? Now you should find your answer in the minutes. In total minutes आपको बताने हैं. Does she exercise in 7 days? कि 7 days में उसने total कितने minutes तक exercise की. So firstly we change 1.5 hour into minutes. So first let me start solution. First sentence is there. Rasi exercises for every day equals to 1.5 hour. Okay. Now total she exercises in 7 days. So firstly we convert 1.5 hour into minutes. Okay. So here we write 1.5 hour equals to 1 hour means 60 minutes and half hour means 30 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 60 minutes. In minutes we write in short MIN plus 30 minutes. Okay. Then 60 plus 30, that's it. 90 minutes. Okay. Now we will do multiplication because there is saying that she exercise in 7 days. Okay. Total she exercise in 7 days, that we have to find. So for that we will do multiply by 7. So 90 minutes multiply by 7. So here we will do 90 minute multiply by 7. So we should multiply. 9 sevens are 63. So that becomes 630 minutes. Okay. So total she exercise in 7 days equals to 630 minutes. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do question number C. Now we will do question number D. Now D part. The school opened 10 days after Mickey's birthday. School opened. So school open हुए after 10 days. Okay, 10 days after Mickey's birthday. Mickey का birthday जब था उससे 10 days बाद school open हुए. Okay, Mickey birthday was on June 21. Mickey का birthday कब था? 21 June को. So on which day? Now there is mistake in the question because there is not given day. There is given date कि जो मिकी का बर्थडे था वो 21 जून को था. Okay, और स्कूल उसके 10 days बाद ओपन हुए. So on which day? At the place of day there will come date. Okay, so that you will do correction in your book also. In the question there will come date. Okay, so you will cut it and you will write here date. Okay, if there is given day, so we can calculate the day. But there is not given day in the question. There is given only date. Okay. So on which date did the school open? स्कूल जो है वो कौन सी डेट को ओपन होंगे? ओके, ओपन हुए थे. Did the school open? मीन्स स्कूल कब ओपन हुए थे? 21 जून को मिकी का बर्थडे था, उसके 10 days बाद स्कूल ओपन हुए. So we will calculate the 10 days and then we can tell that on which date school will open. Okay. So now first sentence, Mickey's birthday on June 21. Okay. Then what will we do? We have to count the 10 days from 21 June. So we have to count 10 days from 21 June. So we'll start counting from 21 June. So as we know that June has 30 days. So we will count 21 June to 30 June. Because in June we have 30 days. We don't have 31. We have only 30. So 21 June to 30 June we have 10 days. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30. So we have 10 days. So that's equals to 10 days. Okay. And school opened after 10 days. So 10 days are calculated. Now school will open on July 1st because when June finishes then July will start. So school will open on July first. So here is saying that on which date did the school open? So the school opened. So the school opened. Did plus first form we change into the second form, opened on July, July, July 1st. Okay, that's your answer. Because school will open on July 1st, 10 days after of 21 June we have July 1st. That's our answer. Okay, now we'll do question number 2. Question number 2. Filling the missing entries in the table. There is given question in tabular form, means table given है, table की form में है. So we will not do in the tabular form. Okay, we have to solve the question. Table की form में, but without solving you can't find the answer. So we have to solve the question. We will not do like the fill-ups. Okay. So A part is here. There is given starting date, okay, and duration. In 2A and B part we have starting date and duration, and in C, D, E we have finishing date and duration. We have to find the starting date. So whenever we know the starting date, so in this type question, whenever we find the duration, so we include both the date, starting also, finishing also, because as we know that on which day work starts, so that day also includes. ओके कोई भी वर्क है आपके घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन का या जो भी वर्क हो रहा है, तो जिस डेट पे स्टार्ट होता है हम उस डेट को भी काउंट करते हैं, और जिस डेट को फिनिश होता है दैट आल्सो वी काउंट. सो वी शुड काउंट द बोथ डेट, स्टार्टिंग डेट आल्सो एंड फिनिशिंग डेट आल्सो. ओके, सो व्हेन वी हैव स्टार्टिंग डेट एंड ड्यूरेशन एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग फिनिशिंग डेट, सो फॉर दैट व्हाट विल वी विल डू स्ट्रेट काउंटिंग. ओके, क्योंकि स्टार्ट पहले होता है एंड आफ्टर दैट फिनिश, तो इसका मतलब हमें कंटिन्यू मंथ वाइज हमें कंटिन्यू चलना है. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी हैव फिनिशिंग डेट एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग स्टार्टिंग, सो वी विल डू बैकवर्ड, हम वापस पीछे वाले मंथ में, क्योंकि स्टार्ट पहले होता है और फिनिश बाद में. एंड वन थिंग रिमेंबर दैट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड बोथ द डेट्स. ओके, स्टार्टिंग डेट आल्सो एंड फिनिशिंग डेट आल्सो. क्लियर? सो हियर इज गिवन इन ए पार्ट स्टार्टिंग डेट 29 February. Okay, so this date will also include. Clear? Now duration is 15 days. अब हमें 15 days का duration find करके and then we have to tell the finishing date. So we have to calculate the 15 days कि where the 15 days complete. So we start from 29 February. Okay, so in February as we know that maximum is 29 days. Okay, that is in leap year. So that means we should count the 29 February also. So 29 February one day होगा. So we count here 29 Feb. There is only one day. If there is 30 Feb, 31 Feb, so we count 29 Feb to 30 Feb. This is it's B part. B part you will do yourself. In B part we have November is there. So whatever date is there, that month we will complete. Okay, to from that date to complete the month. Okay, but in February we have only 29 is the last day, so we'll take only 29 Feb. But if there is 30 Feb, so we will write like this 29 Feb to 30 Feb, 31 Feb, whatever is there. But in February we have only 29 days, so we will write here only 29 Feb. 29 February only one day. Okay. So from 15 days, 1 day is here. Now 14 days left. Now we should count the 14 days more. Okay, this is starting date. So finish is next month में होगा. February finish हो गया. Now March start. So we will count 40 days in March. So 14 days where will be? On the 14 March, 1 to 14 March there will be 14 days. So from 1st March. Sorry, M-A-R-C-H, March to 14 March. 1st March to 14 March. How many days? 14 days. So we write here 14 days. Now total, we count this total. So total are 14 plus 1, 15 days. and our duration is 15 days. We have to complete our duration here. We should add these days and it's equals to our duration. Duration is of 15 days. That means our 15 days complete. Where it complete? On 14 March. So what's our answer? 14 March. Finishing date is 14 March. So we write here 14 March. That's our finishing date. Okay, that's the answer. So clear? So how we will do? Keep your mind. We will start from starting date. Then we continue. Okay, straight. Whatever month is there, after that next month, the next month, like this, because this is start in beginning and finish after that. Okay, so for finishing date we will continue the months. Then after that B part is same like the A part, that you will do yourself. Now we will do C part. Now C part, C, D and E is same. Okay, so now we will do C part. D and E you will do yourself. Okay, so here is C part. There is given finishing date is 2nd January. Now duration is 60 days. Now we have to find starting date. So as we know that the work finish later and start earlier. पहले start होता है and then finish. So we will do here backward counting. Okay. When we have starting and finishing, we have to find finishing. अगर starting given है, finishing find कर रहे हैं. So for that we will count the straight counting. And for starting we will do backward counting. Okay. There is duration is of 60 days. हमें 60 days का duration complete करना है. So we will start from 2nd January backward. Okay. So in January there is 2nd January finishing. So in January only include 2 days, 2nd January and 1st January. So we will count here 2nd January. January to 1st January. Okay, 2nd January to 1st January. How much? 2 days, because 1 and 2. So that is 2 days. Now 2 days duration is completed. Total we have 60 days duration. 2 days complete. Okay, so how many days left? 58. Now we come on the back. So before January, which month? December. So we will count the days of December. Now we have to count 58 days. But in December we have only 31 days. So that means we will count the complete month of December. So 31st December, backward counting लेनी है हमें यहाँ पे. Okay, because we have finishing date here and we are finding starting date. For starting we will take backward counting. And for finishing we count straight. Okay. Now 31 December to 1 December. How many days? 31 days. Okay. 31st December to 1st December there is 31 days, because in December we have 31 days. Now 31 plus 2, 33. Total duration is of 60 days. Okay. So 60 minus 33. That's 27. Okay. 60 में से हमने 33 days का duration हमने find कर लिया. Now 27 days are left. That we count in the November month. Okay. So November have 30 days. Okay. Now we count 27 days of November. So 30 to 4 date we have 27 days. 3 days हम निकाल देंगे. 3 days उसके हटा देंगे. नवंबर में हमें 30 days है हमारे पास. उसमें से हम 1, 2, 3 date को हटा देंगे. So there will be 27 days. Okay. So now 30 November to 4 November. Okay, because 1, 2, 3 we leave 27, because we require only 27 days. So we will leave 1, 2, 3 November. So there will be from 4 to 30 we have 27 days. So that is 27 days. Their total is how much? Total is 7 plus 1 plus 2, that's 10. 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 60 days. That's duration we have. Okay, duration हमारा 60 days का ही था, वो हमने complete कर दिया. So where it's complete? On 4 November. That means our starting date is 4 November. Okay, we have to complete that's our answer. Okay, so we have to complete our duration. हमें अपना यहाँ पे ड्यूरेशन को कैलकुलेट करना है. अगर फिनिशिंग गिवन है, स्टार्टिंग पे आ रहा है तो बैकवर्ड, जनवरी दिसंबर नवंबर, लाइक दिस बैक मंथ. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी हैव स्टार्टिंग एंड गोइंग ऑन फिनिशिंग, सो कंटिन्यू द मंथ. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डेज ऑफ ड्यूरेशन. इन C part we have done here. In D and E also you have same like that, and like this our exercise is finished and our chapter also finished. So you will complete your chapter. Thank you.